go.
Good. Yep. Keep it smooth. Look ahead to where you're going next. Nice. Little brake, little brake. There you go. Nice. How'd it feel?
Good.
Yeah, that was good.
Good to go.
Turn. Yep, good. Easy. I was gonna say, don't get too carried away right away. Smooth controls. Keep it smooth. The speed will come later. You don't have to full send. Okay, good. Okay, there you go. And brake. There you go. Yep. Gas, 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 gas. 48.8.
Somehow better.
Even with that mistake, you were almost a second faster.
Good to go.
And yeah, feel out the grip. Pull it out. Don't be too stabby on the pedals. Yeah, that's better. Turn, 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 turn. See? All right, up the hill. And brakes. There you go. Look to that pinch. Look over to the pinch. Yeah. See? See how much better that was?
Yep.
Okay. Just a wiggle through here. Brakes, brakes, brakes. Yep. There you go. And gas, gas, gas. There you go. That's 3 seconds faster. You got to slow down more though.
Okay,
like,
okay.
yeah. That was great.
Yeah.
Good to go.
Okay. Good. Find your way into this. Set your steering. And now more gas, more gas, more gas, more gas, more gas. Less gas, less gas, less gas. See how it digs in?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Straight line up this hill. Good. Look all the way down for that pinch cone. There you go. Good. Excellent. Little brake. Now slalom, slalom. Good. Yes. Good. Nice job.
Let's go. 41.
And that was supposed to be a worse time.
Good to go.
There you go. Perfect. Hug these cones. Get nice and close. Look for where you want to exit. Yes. Awesome. Okay, backside this guy. Backside this guy. Backside this guy. Good. Now go. Yep. Yes. Good. Awesome. Little brake. Good. Look for your pinch cone. Easy, easy, easy. Good. Yes. Now you're clear. Oh, you got it. That's all right. Oh, stop, 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 stop. Okay. You're like, screw it, I'm going. Okay, hold on, hold on. Brake, 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 brake.
Good to go.
Early brake, good. Turn. All right, use your throttle. Good. Good. Backside the first one and the second one and the third one. Go, go, you can go. Look for your pinch. Look for your pinch. Good. And the next one. Clear it. Good. Little break. Backside first one. Go. Yes!
Yes.
Love it! Haha!
Good to go.
Yes. Let's go. 39.